If you haven't heard or tried MiauMall, you really should. I recently found this amazing app, MiauMall, that is a platform where you can shop directly from Japan. I'm always a big fan of all things from Japan, not only stationery, but also the snacks and all other goodies. We do have quite a lot of Japanese grocery or snack stores in Houston, but MiauMall has a great variety of products from Japan, and their prices are really nice, much lower than those in the market. Plus, a lot of things can only be found in that app. Their shipping is also super fast. My order was shipped on the 30th of January via FedEx. By the way, they use either FedEx or DHL for shipping, which is nice, and arrived on the 2nd of February. That was rocket fast. Also, they offer free shipping for any order over $97 for US orders, and if you were charged tax by custom, you can reach out to their customer service for reimbursement, which is awesome. Everything is nicely packed. I'm so excited opening up the box. Now let's see what I got this time. I got this royal milk tea from Niton Tea. I hope I pronounced it right, but I really love it. This is my favorite. And I also got this green tea latte from Blendy, which is also one of my favorite coffee brands in Japan. More royal milk tea, but this is a low sugar version, which is really good for our health. This is the drip coffee for an AGF. Very nice. And then more snacks for my kids. So this is the MiauMall chocolate with all the different fruits, flavors. I love it. A chocolate matcha flavor. More chocolate for my kids. This is the milky chocolate from the brand Fujiya. Okay, so this is another favorite of mine from Japan. My friends came back from Japan. I always ask them to get some for me, and now today I can finally get it from the website from Japan directly. Love it. I already opened this. This is an avocado cracker, and I already opened it and eat some. Really, really nice. Yummy. Really, really nice. And a yummy cracker. Love it. Love it. More snacks. So this is just sort of small pies from Muji. As you can see, two different flavors. So I really like those, small packs snacks so that I can just grab one when I go out with my kids. I just give them 1 or 2 pieces one time. Very convenient. Alright, more Blendy coffee. This is the drip coffee from Blendy. This is also a royal milk tea, but with the strawberry flavor. My first time to try this flavored milk tea. So let's see how it tastes, but looks nice. More tea. The matcha. So it can be used in, to make cakes, bread, drinks. And this one I also already opened for my kids because they couldn't wait. This is like a popsicle, mini popsicle version of little crackers. Yeah, super cute because kids love the popsicle ice cream. So this is really interesting for them to try. More crackers for the kids. It is the sandwich, like a sandwich cracker. Love it. Alright, more chocolate. This is the brownie. This is the chocolate brownie. Yeah. Also from the brand called Fujiya. The chocolate brownie. I guess my husband will love it. This is another flavor of the cracker I just showed. I got the avocado flavor, and then this is the cheese, cheesa, which is a cheese flavor. Looks nice. All right, then I got some. Oh, and one more thing. So this is what I got from my my son, which is my son is still 10 months or already 11 months old. So this is kind of a teether snack for him. I'm gonna try if he will like it. Alrighty, and I got something for my son as well. So this is the kind of peach lotion for little baby, just to keep them moisturized. Yeah, and then this is from my favorite baby brand from Japan, Pigeon. So I really like it. And then I got more from Pigeon. Let's see what I got. So I got this nasal aspirator for my babies to relieve their snuffy noses. I think this is very helpful because it's convenient. You can just assemble it and then wash it. It's very convenient. It's easy to wash. And then one more thing from Pigeon is also for their noses. This thing, I think, is just to make them, more comfortable when they have the runny noses. I haven't tried it before, but yeah, you can just use them to let them smell it, put them under their noses for a while, and then they will feel more comfortable. And then I got 2 water bottles for my son because my son is only 10 months and 11 months old, and he's not used to use big bottles. So I got him 2 straw, the water bottles with straws, and 2 versions. This is the tall version and this is the petite version. And then just I want to try to start with this and then switch to the bigger one when he gets bigger. So, but they look so cute, don't they? Yeah, I hope Ezra will like it. All right, and then of course I got something for my daughter, Anna. So this is the shampoo that she has been using from Call. This is the peach flavor, her favorite. And then I got this is the mosquito skin. So basically it is used to prevent mosquitoes or other insects to get close to the babies. So yeah, I think this will be very useful during summer. All right, last but not least, I got 2 for myself. Oh, another thing I forgot to show you. So this is the toothbrush for my son. Yeah, I think this will be his first one. I got this also from Pigeon, and I got the soft one so that it won't, it will make it more gentle for his teeth. Small teeth. All right, and then I got last 2 things I got for myself. These 2 are the shampoo from Spucky. This is the shampoo, and then this is the hair conditioner. So I got a set for my hair. All right, that's all I got. So really satisfied, happy with my purchase, and I will definitely be getting back to them soon. So if you like this app and find yourself need the snacks and the goodies from Japan, definitely check that out. I hope you liked this unboxing today, and have a great weekend. Bye.